Silent red flags can sink your transformation, and most executives don't see them until it's too late. That's what happened at Revlon. A system meant to transform the business broke it instead. Factories stalled, orders didn't ship, millions were lost. According to MarketWatch, the failure was so severe Revlon delayed its financial reporting and faced lawsuits from shareholder. But here's the truth. It's not just Revlon. Across industries, programs fail the same way. Deadlines slip, budgets rise, momentum disappears. That's where a program health check comes in. Here's how it works. We set the scope and define success. We collect the plans, budgets, and logs. We talk to your sponsor, tech leads, and delivery teams. We look at velocity, burn, and milestones to forecast outcomes. Then I deliver a one-page snapshot, a confidence score, the top 3 risks with evidence, and a clear action plan with owners and dates. In days, not months, you see the cracks. And you see how to realign before it all breaks. Every transformation reaches this moment. Push blindly forward or stop, review, and lead with truth. And if your program feels stuck, message me. I'll send you a prompt you can paste straight into your own account. In less than a minute, it generates a program awareness snapshot, a traffic light view of what's healthy, what's risky, and what could cost you millions if ignored. It's free, fast, and it will show you what your dashboards aren't. The clarity you need might be just one conversation away.